Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the bright and powerful world of solar energy. From saving money to saving the planet, solar power has some incredible benefits you might not know about. So stick around as we explore the top advantages of solar energy and why it might just be the future of clean, sustainable power. Renewable energy source. Solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. It can be harnessed in all areas of the world and is available every day. We cannot run out of solar energy, unlike some of the other sources of energy. Solar energy will be accessible as long as we have the sun. Sunlight will be available to us for at least 5 billion years when, according to scientists, the sun is going to die. Reduces electricity bills. Since you will be meeting some of your energy needs with the electricity your solar system has generated, your energy bills will drop. How much you save on your bill will be dependent on the size of the solar system and your electricity or heat usage. Moreover, not only will you be saving on the electricity bill, but there is also a possibility to receive payments for the surplus energy that you export back to the grid through the Smart Export Guarantee (SEG). If you generate more electricity than you use, considering that your solar panel system is connected to the grid, your utility company will often provide credits for any surplus power you send back to the grid. This is known as net metering. Low maintenance costs. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. You only need to keep them relatively clean, so cleaning them a couple of times per year will do the job. Also, as there are no moving parts, there is no wear and tear. The inverter is usually the only part that needs to be changed after 5 to 10 years because it is continuously working to convert solar energy into electricity and heat. So, after covering the initial cost of the solar system, you can expect very little spending on maintenance and repair work. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.